how I take care of 75 plus insects with one product, the professional way to do this. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do that with a fantastic product. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Craig, HowToPest.com. If you've never been to this channel before, guys, and don't know what it's about, I'm going to tell you right now. This is where we highlight professional grade products, and then we show you DIYers how to use them. If that's something that's of interest to you guys, hit that subscribe button down below, and these videos come out multiple times a week. Also, guys, we are going to throw links up in the channel during the video, and you can direct order by punching on those links. Guys, it's YouTube shopping, and it couldn't be any easier. So if you see a product you like, just hit that button. But hey, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Welcome back to the channel, Craig, HowToPest.com. Today's video, we are talking one product that wipes out over 75 plus insects. That's right, guys, 75 plus insects. This is a professional grade product that a lot of pros out there use. I can guarantee almost all of them use this in some form or another. And if you have bought an over-the-counter spray, you have used this chemical. What am I talking about, guys? I am talking Bifen IT. And if the camera picks this up right here, guys, I'm going to grab this real quick and show you. This is Bifen IT. This is from Controlled Solutions. Like I mentioned, if you have gone to your local hardware store, you have picked up products like Home Defense. Well, Home Defense has bifenthrin in it. That's what Bifen IT is. It's bifenthrin. Now, here's the difference, guys. The amount of bifenthrin that you're getting in Home Defense is 0.05% of the bifen. It's not a lot. Do you know how much you're getting in Bifen IT and other products like Taostar P, just another competitor of this one? 7.9% of the bifenthrin. That is so important because when you go and you grab that gallon that's already pre-mixed from the local hardware store, not only is the dose lower, now let me preference, they have added cypermethrin into the Ortho Home Defense. That's great. What that is, that's a quick knockdown. So they're trying to give you a quick knockdown with a little residual of the bifenthrin. But understand, what you're paying for that 1 gallon versus what you're paying for a concentrated version, this is more bang for your buck at a higher professional dose. And this is going to give you 150 times plus more treatments. Now, Bifen IT, where can you put this? You name it. You can put Bifen just about anywhere, guys. You're going to want to read the label and make sure that the desired location that you have is on the label. The label is right here in a little booklet that you can open up and read, but a fantastic way to read the Bifen IT label, guys, is on HowToPest.com. Go into HowToPest.com, go in the search bar, punch in any product you want. This one today happens to be Bifen IT. It'll pop up. Scroll down on the right-hand side. You are going to see product label. Punch on that, and now you can blow that label up as big as you need it to be to read it. So just an easier way to do that. Now, back to the professional grade of Bifen IT. Not only is the percent higher, but it's actually labeled for more bugs than the actual Ortho is, and it's going to hold up twice as long. How much time are you going to get out of Bifen IT? You can get 90 days out of Bifen IT if the weather doesn't become a factor. Like we're talking rain, heavy sprinklers, things like that, guys, that are just going to wash the product away. Sunlight that's beating on it. But if it's protected, you'll get 90 days. Indoor, outdoor? Yes. Now, where can you put it? Like I mentioned before, you got fleas on the lawn, you can take care of them. You got ticks on the lawn, you can take care of them. You got brush behind me with mosquitoes, it's labeled for up there too. Indoors, you need to take care of things, it's labeled for in there. Now understand, most of your outdoor treatments, they're going to be spot, crack, and crevice unless you're on a lawn treating for fleas, ticks, etc., or you're up in the brush treating the brush and the trees, then you can do more of a broadcast spray. Now, around the perimeter of the house, what would you do as a professional? Well, the first thing you do is you get yourself a sprayer. Guys, you got to have a sprayer to mix this. It's not going to be pre-mixed like Ortho Home Defense or any of those over-the-counter ones, but you're getting a professional grade product and you're getting more bang for your buck. So by the time you spend money on a sprayer, this one right here happens to be a Chapin. It's on HowToPest.com, here or here. I don't know where they put it, but it's a fantastic, well-priced sprayer. Guys, I think it's like under 30 bucks. If you already have one, you're already golden. You get that? You're going to mix that in with the desired amount of water and solution, and you're going to go to town. Now, how much do you put in here? Well, any sprayer, I don't care what you have, it's going to be fill your sprayer a little less than half full. This happens to be a 1 gallon sprayer, so it's a little less than half full. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take off your cap, your lid, whatever, and you're going to put in your desired mix. Now, what's your desired mix on Bifen? Bifen is going to be typically 0.5 to 1 fluid ounce. So half a fluid ounce to a fluid ounce gallon of water. That's all it's going to be. You see how much this is? It goes a long ways. This is a 16-ounce bottle. This goes a long ways, guys. This comes in a 16, a 32, and a gallon. So you just get what you need for the amount of area that you have. Now, this is a squeeze bottle, guys. So what that means is you're going to pop this cap off. Come in close to the camera right here. And you're going to notice there's a 1/2 inch mark and there's a 1 ounce mark. 1/2 ounce, 1 ounce. You see that? So what you're going to do is you're going to pop this off, and then you're going to squeeze, and the fluid is going to come up right through here, and it is going to put your desired amount in here. So let's just say it's 1 ounce. You're going to fill it up right there. You have your water mixed a little less than half, and you are going to dump it into the bottle. We are simulating here today because why? Because I don't have the proper PPE on. What you're going to want to have on when you do this. What is that going to be with Bifen IT? It is going to be gloves, like you see right here, chemical resistant gloves. It's going to be a long sleeve shirt, it's going to be long pants, and it's going to be shoes and socks, right? Now, you're going to want goggles. This is a fantastic pair of goggles right here, guys. We have these on HowToPest.com. Why? Because they're anti-fog and they breathe. They have breather holes on here. And they're cheap. If you need a pair of goggles, come over to HowToPest.com, grab yourself of these bad boy goggles, and you're good to go. Now you see me in other videos, I recommend hats. I love hats because it's just giving you the ultimate protection. So that's about it with the PPE, and then you're gonna go to town with your mixing. So I got my 1 fluid ounce, I mix it in with my little less than 1/2 gallon of water here, and then I put the lid back on and I shake. And once I've shaken that up good enough, I take the lid back off and I fill my sprayer up all the way with water to the 1 gallon mark in this Chapin. And then I put it back on and I shake it up again, and then I pump this thing up. And we're going to show you right here a little demonstrated view. Like I said, this is simulated. Here's a great thing too about this Chapin I like. It's just such an economical sprayer. Little holder there, you pump it off. For you guys with just the occasional pest control, these things are fantastic. Okay, so you're going to unclick it right here. You're going to pump this thing up. And when this thing gives you too much resistance going down, then you're full. See how it's starting to get there? You're going to click it back into place and you are ready to go. You've shook this up. Now, if you're doing an outside application, I'm going to show you how to do that. You kind of want this on in between fan spray and pin spray, and then you want to go along the areas that you're going to treat. I happen to be treating an outside perimeter wall spot crack and crevice treatment for ants today. Guys, we had a live demonstration. I couldn't be any more excited today. We have brought in Buggy, and we are going to show how Bifen IT affects the insect once they contract the Bifen IT on them. So I am Joe, homeowner, and I am just going along and I'm doing my spot crack and crevice here. Oh no, here comes Buggy. Is Buggy gonna go across where I just sprayed Bifen IT? He sure is. Buggy's in trouble, guys, because you know what Bifen IT does to the bug? It affects their nervous system. It overstimulates it, and it makes them just keep firing and freaking out. And then ultimately, what it does, it causes paralysis and then death. You know the great thing about that? Buggy cannot be a snitch and go back and tell the other bugs. They're just going to come along and do the same thing Buggy's doing, the break dance, the freak out, and the die. That's how Bifen IT works, guys. It affects the nervous system of the bugs. Kind of a cheesy demonstration, but you get the idea. Appreciate you, Buggy. Guys, Bifen IT, like I said, indoors, outdoors, around window sills, yes. Up under eaves for wasps, yes. You can put this around your sheds. Guys, you need to stay away from anything that's going to run off into the storm drain system. So in front of your driveways, things like that, like I got a mosquito eating my ankle up right now. You're going to want to stay away from that. You're going to want to make sure that wherever you put this, if rain or water were to hit it, it doesn't run off into the gutter system. Other than that, Bifen IT is very versatile. We're talking 90+ days. We're talking 1 ounce per 1 gallon of water, and then you go to town where you need to use this. If you guys have any questions about Bifen IT, I'm here for you. I'm happy to answer them. Appreciate all the thumbs up out there. Guys, thanks for liking this channel. Appreciate all you subs out there. If you have not subscribed and this is a video that's of interest to you and you want to see other professional videos, I don't know if you call our videos professional, but you want to see professional grade products and how to use them, then this is your channel, guys. Craig, HowToPest.com.